The 12 Days of Christmas Ornament Challenge. Today is day 11. We're super excited to get this started. We are going to be working with some air dry clay from Crayola and some cookie cutters that were in my mom's cookie cutter box. Don't tell her, but she's not here, so she's not gonna whoop me or anything. Thank God. We're going to roll it all out and use some old cookie cutters and let it air dry. We're going to use some parchment paper to put it on because we don't want any glue or anything to rub off onto it. So we're going to protect it. So let's get started, and you guys can watch me run my mom's cookie cutters, which I'm going to get in trouble for. Just to let you guys know. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this DIY. 12 Days of Christmas Ornament Challenge. The hosts of this challenge is Jackie from Mimi's World and Melissa at Melissa DIY. So they finally dried, and now we can paint them and decorate them. I'm going to do some black on the sleigh and do more of a gingerbread color on the gingerbread man. Unfortunately, the candy cookie cutter didn't make it. It happens when the cookie crumbles, as they call it. So we're going to get started in painting these. I'm going to get some of the puffy paint from the Dollar Tree, and when I was in North Carolina or South Carolina, we hit all kinds of other Dollar Trees just to see what kind of inventory they had because where I live, we never have the puffy paint. So I am going to try it for the first time today. Maybe you guys will love it. I hope so. I want to thank everybody for watching all the videos in the 12 days. of Christmas Ornaments Challenge. This has been an amazing experience for me, and I'm very thankful for everyone that has watched and liked and subscribed to me, and all the comments, the wonderful comments. Thank you so much. And please, we have other creators that have made some amazing Christmas ornaments that are worth watching. So please take a look at the playlist. Thank you, and have a Merry, Merry Christmas.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, I'll